Hey guys, it's me Priceless Beauty, and today I'm going to be showing you how to promix Caro White and White Secret for a glowy skin. So this is not for a snow white skin. This is for a glowy skin. So you need to reduce like how sharp the cream is, especially the White Secret can be really powerful. So you want to reduce how powerful it is for a nice glowy skin without it damaging your skin. So you need your Caro White. This is half of it left, and you need this one. It's summer. I want to glowy skin, so I'm going to be using this for like a few weeks for a glowy skin. And I don't go without my bar oil. This is my go-to oil. I've got a few of this glycerin left. So you need a cream that is not powerful. That sometimes I use is this one. So it doesn't, with this two, it doesn't have to be this. This is optional. You can even use, any cream, any lotion that is not powerful. So let's just get into the video. So for this, you're going to need a container. So this is my container. So all that I'm going to be doing is to pour the whole oil in it. So I've got the bar oil and the glycerin in it. So I'm going to put a bit of this fair and white. And this cream is smelling, it smells very, very lovely. This one smells so lovely. So I'm going to put a little bit of that in it. So if you have a hand blender, you can use a hand blender to mix it, or a spoon to mix it, but I prefer to use a hand blender. You can see how nice it's mixed together. Everything is nicely mixed and the color is beautiful. You see, so you can make your own one. Don't make somebody promix it and then sell it to you for very expensive. Some people promix it and sell it for very expensive price. You can get your own product and promix it. If you use spoon to stir it or mix it, you're not going to get the same result. It's going to be lumpy. It's not going to mix very well. So get a hand blender, or if you have a cake mixture, anything that you can use to whip, like the one you use to whip butter, whip it, and you get a really beautiful result. So as you can see, it looks really nice and it goes on really well on the skin. This is how it looks on my skin. So I hope this video helped you. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. We also gonna have these creams on our website. They are not listed yet, but we have them in stock, both of the Caro White and the White Secret. So if you need some, you can make your order on our website. I'm going to leave our website on the video is www.pricelessbeauty.co.uk. so you can make your order there, and I can also promise for you. If you get your ingredients, you get all the items that you need, I can promise it freely for you. So all you need is buy oil and the grease linen that I use, and the other 3 products. So this is how it is. Hope you like this. Like, subscribe, and comment down below. Bye.